Hi, it's Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Today we are starting the Elspeth Make-Along 2024. So excited. Now, if you don't know what Elspeth is, it is a TV show on regular TV in the US and Canada and all over the world. But if you haven't watched it or you don't watch TV, don't worry about it. I will be showing you pictures of all the things that you could make throughout the course of this video right here. So don't worry about it. I will be sharing with you why it is such a good show to be inspired to make something from. This is my first inspiration right here. I love it. This is the Elspeth inspired crochet scarf. She wears it in the very beginning of the show. So season 1, episode 1, about the first 10 minutes, she is sporting a beauty just like this. So that's my first Elspeth project. But you are welcome to crochet something she's wearing, sew something she's wearing, or any character on the show. It doesn't have to be her. There's crochet blankets, there's knit sweaters, there's knit hats, there's crochet hats, there's knit mittens, there are amazing handbags, there's amazing totes, beach bags. There is so much creative inspiration and content. It's just crazy. There's so much out there. So if you wanted to watch a little bit of it to see about it, it's available on CBS Global. That's if you're in North America. It's also on, now I'm going to forget, Apple TV, Paramount, I wrote it down, and Prime. It's also on Prime TV. So you can watch it on any of those platforms. You can also just Google it here on YouTube, put in a little search for Elspeth, and it will all come up. There is little clips of what she's wearing and stuff, even just here on YouTube. So Elspeth is, I'll give you a little rundown about it. She is a character, she was a character lawyer, I guess, on The Good Wife. I haven't watched The Good Wife, but I might. Actually, I saw a YouTube video where it has all of the scenes of Elspeth in it just here on YouTube. So that would be interesting. I'll probably link that down below as well. So she is basically a super quirky lawyer who solves crimes, kind of like Columbo. So she's a takeoff of Columbo. So every episode, super kind of light drama, I suppose, and she solves crimes, helps the police, that sort of thing. And every episode features actors that we kind of remember. We're like, oh yeah, that person, where are they from? And you kind of remember being like, oh yeah, that's right, it's this person from that show back in the 90s or something like that. So it's really kind of cool to see. The whole concept is pretty groovy. Plus, she wears amazing stuff, and there's really a lot of accessories in there. So if you want to join us for the Elspeth Make-Along 2024, all you have to do is crochet, knit, or sew something inspired by the show. That's it. All you have to do. At the end, and it's going to go all the way until the end of August. At the end of August, I will be picking, now you can share your pictures. There is a Ravelry group. There is also a Facebook group. I will share all of those links also in the description, and I'll pin it in a comment. If you're not on social media, you can email me the pictures, and that is Krista at secretyarnery.com. Or you can tag your photos on Instagram. Hashtag is ElspethMal24. ElspethMal24. So that is the hashtag where we can see everything you've made, and I will be picking 3 winners. Somebody who is the most exact. If you made something and it looks like, wow, that looks exactly like what she's wearing or what's on the show, I will be picking 1 winner who makes something like exactly as close or the closest to the real item. There is also, oh, speaking of which, Detour, if you wanted to see all that stuff, there's also a website, shopmytv.com, and you can search Elspeth, and episode by episode they literally have links to purchase everything in the show, which is crazy. So you can see it's better photos right there, so you can check that. There's a lot of ads on that website, but you can see all the things without having to watch the show. Anyway, if you don't want to watch the show. So I'll be giving out a prize for the most identical, something that is pretty close to what it really is on the show. I will be giving out a prize for most inspired. So you saw something on the show and then you made something whimsical, fantastic. You did your own spin on it. And I'm also giving out a prize for best effort. So even if you are not a great seamstress or tailor or knitter or crocheter, but you want to give it a go, there's a prize for just trying. So, and the prize for me, I am giving out, I'll email you one of my written patterns, one of my Elspeth written patterns. So those are the prizes you can win and how to enter. And now I'm going to tag 3 other channels to join me on this fantastic adventure. And if you are watching this, you know I wanted to tag you, but I'm trying to just tag 3 channels so that I leave some channels for you to tag. Do you know what I mean? Because I'm like, oh, these channels. And I'm like, I can't take all the channels. So if you're a content creator and you're watching this video and you knit, sew, or crochet, you are tagged as well. So go ahead and make a video. All you have to do is put hashtag Elspeth Mal 24 in the title, and we will be searching for those videos and putting them on a playlist. I'll also link the playlist in the description box and as a pinned comment down below, so you can kind of see what everyone else is doing with the Elspeth Mal 2024. It's going to be so exciting. So go ahead and do that. So the channels I'm officially tagging are Creative Grandma, Glenda, I love you, and Crochet with Tula Maria. Love you, Tula. And also Setta's Place. Got you, girl. So I wanted to tag a whole bunch of channels, but I'm really saving them for you. So you please go and tag 3 channels, make your video, and make something inspired by the show. That's it. Have a super great day. Any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Oh, that's the next video. I'm going to show you how to do the Elspeth scarf, the Elspeth inspired scarf, complete start to finish, including continuous join as you go. So easy. You're going to love it. So that is my next video right there. Anyway, stay hooked.